Hi mga katulala! Ngayon po ulit po ako nag-vlogs mga katulala. Maraming salamat po kay Ate Emerin. Regalo niya po sa akin ng birthday ko. Ito po yung nakasulat. Dear JR, happy birthday! Pinsan ko, God bless you and be with you always. Love you very much. Sana ma-enjoy mo gift ko. Love, Ate Emerin and Gandalf. Yung aso niya po na Shih Tzu. Maraming salamat po. Airpods po yung laman niya. Ito po siya, guys. Meron po rin po siyang binigay na ganitong sulat. Ang nakasulat po dito, for God love so love for God so loved the world that he gave his only son so that everyone who believes in him might not perish but might hear eternal life. You are loved. Salamat po, I love you. Ito po siya, Starbucks po siya na AirPods. Shout out po kay Ate Emerin po. Ito po siya. I love you guys. Paalam.